This is Troy with iGrow Salons, and in this video I'll be showing you how to analyze your data. So as you're running ads, you're accumulating all this data. So I'll show you, what you need to look for to see if your ads are on the right track on the ad side, and what you need to look for to see if your ads are on the right track for like your website side. So what people are doing after they click. By the way, if you need my personal help with setting up your ads, I do have a done with you service where I help you set up everything you're targeting, optimizing your website, anything of that nature. I also have a done for you service for anyone that's making at least 10K per month or more in revenue and they're looking to scale up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this columns tab here to performance and clicks. So this is going to tell us what people are doing on Facebook prior to them visiting our site. So the first thing you want to look for is your click-through rate. So you want to see at least a 1% or better click-through rate. That's going to tell you if your ads are being shown to the right people, or your ad image or video is correct. So again, you're looking at the click-through rate. Another thing you want to look at is your cost per click. So this is important because let's say your average conversion rate on your website is a 1%. So every 100 visitors you send over to your website, you get one sale. If you have $1 cost per click, that means you would have spent $100 on ads to get one sale. So if that math doesn't immediately work out for you, then that lets you know you have to go back to the drawing board and either tweak your targeting or tweak your image to get a higher click-through rate. The higher your click-through rate, the lower your cost per click, usually. Now these are going to be different because these are different targeting, different interests, things like that. But if you see here, the 1.33 to 1.55 click-through rate is less than $1. Here, when we're looking at a 0.4 or a 0.8, we're spending $1.10, $1.40 per click. So again, to see how your ads are doing on Facebook, you want to check your link click-through rate and your cost per click. So to see if people are taking action once they land onto your website, you want to go, well, actually I have mine already preset, but what you want to do is scroll all the way over and there's going to be this blue plus sign, and you want to customize your columns. So then you want to go to standard events here, and you want to check on add to carts, cost per add to cart, checkouts initiated, cost per checkout initiated, purchase ROAS. So that's going to tell you how much return you're getting for every dollar you spend. You also want to turn on purchases and cost per or value and cost per purchase. So apply this. So I know historically I need to be in the like $40, $50 range to have a profitable ad campaign. So if we look, let's see, and that's what I need to be spending on add to carts. So basically what my ads are showing here, so let's use this one as an example. People are actually, clicking through on the ad and getting to the site and taking action. So we have 5 purchases, 16 add to carts, and 12 checkouts initiated. So this $48 cost per add to cart is, right up in the range that I need it to be to, have a successful campaign. So you have to, kind of reverse engineer these numbers to get a better idea of where your ads stand before you spend too much money. So here is an example of a campaign I just did last night. So this one, see, we were at $65 and $76. So I knew, off the bat that these ads probably weren't going to be profitable, and that's why they're off, today. I ran them for like a day, and let me show you. So today it was really bad. This one came out to $90. This one is in the $44 range, but it still, for some reason, did not deliver purchases. So ended up turning these off fairly early. So again, these are things that you can look at when you're trying to figure out what people are doing once they click on your ad and visit your website. If they're not adding to cart or initiating checkout, that means that it's either an issue with your site or that audience is 100% wrong for you to be serving ads to. Again, if you need my personal help with setting up your ads, I do have a done with you service. If you want more information about that, you can send me a DM on Instagram at iGrowSalons. If you want me to set up your ads for you, and this is for anyone who's doing at least 10K per month in revenue and they're looking to scale up, you can DM me about my done for you service as well on Instagram at iGrowSalons. If you have any questions, again, you can DM me about that as well. Thanks for watching.